Astrophysicist believes there's a strong likelihood this is a craft of alien origin. A fast-moving object the size of Manhattan is hurtling towards our solar system. Comet, asteroid, or something else.
Okay, let's unpack this. The universe just keeps surprising us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I still remember the buzz around Oumuamua back in, 2017. Can you remind us just how, unprecedented that first interstellar visitor really was? Especially its speed and that acceleration that nobody could figure out.
Oh, absolutely. It was a total game changer. Oumuamua wasn't just, another rock. It was this weird needle-shaped thing ripping through our solar system at something like 196,000 miles per hour. I mean, way faster than anything just orbiting our sun. Its path, and especially that weird boost it got near the sun, it just baffled scientists. What's really fascinating here, though, is that Oumuamua was more than a mystery. It was a real wake-up call. It pushed us to really think about our place, And for you, our listener, this deep dive is going to show how that first strange visitor directly led to a discovery just last July 2025, that flips everything we thought we knew about these cosmic messengers.
Yeah, profoundly perplexing is the right word. Beyond the speed, what else made Oumuamua such an enigma? I remember the shape was very unusual, but what else?
Well, the shape, definitely. Like you said, incredibly elongated, maybe 10 times longer than wide, like the skyscraper tumbling end over end, basically. And it had this deep red color, probably from millions, maybe billions of years, soaking up cosmic rays. But the real kicker, as you mentioned, was the acceleration. It sped up, but there was no visible gas, no comet tail, nothing. It just moved like something was pushing it invisibly. People came up with all sorts of ideas at first. Nitrogen ice, hydrogen ice evaporating, some weird, fluffy, fractal thing.
Right, and even some more out there ideas, too.
Yeah, exactly. Even the, let's say, controversial idea of an alien light sail got thrown around, just because the movement was so hard to explain naturally.
But science often finds an elegant answer, doesn't it? There was a breakthrough there.
There was. Jennifer Bergner, she proposed this really clever idea, basically that cosmic radiation could trap hydrogen gas inside water ice over vast amounts of time, kind of creating a hydrogen battery within the object. So as Oumuamua got closer to the sun and warmed up, this trapped hydrogen would be released, but maybe invisibly, providing that little extra thrust. It just fit the data beautifully. A natural explanation.
That hydrogen battery idea, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. But even with that figured out, we sort of missed the boat on studying Oumuamua up close, didn't we? Was that frustration what really sparked ATLS?
Without a doubt. The fact that we couldn't get a good look, couldn't really analyze it properly, that absolutely galvanized the community. It led directly to building ATLAS, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System.
And this isn't just one telescope looking up, right? It's bigger than that.
Oh, much bigger. It's a network. 4 robotic telescopes spread out, Hawaii, South Africa, Chile. The key thing is they scan the entire visible sky every single night.
Every night. Wow.
Yeah. And the sensitivity is incredible. For you listening, imagine trying to spot a single match flame from New York all the way over in Los Angeles. ATLAs can detect things about that faint. It's about 100,000 times fainter than what your eye can see. It can spot a, say, 60-foot asteroid days before impact. It's completely changed the game for finding near-Earth objects and, anything new out there. The amount of data it processes nightly is staggering, like scanning the entire text of Wikipedia every night.
That's mind-boggling data volume.
Yeah.
Sorting through that must be a huge challenge.
It is, but the software, the algorithms are incredibly sophisticated. Which brings us neatly to July 2025, because the ATLAS network flags something else. Another object with that telltale hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it came from interstellar space. They called it 3I8Piros.
Okay, another visitor,
Yeah.
but different this time.
Very different. This is the key contrast with Oumuamua. 3I8Piros looked and acted like, a comet. It had a visible poma, that fuzzy cloud of gas and dust around it, and it was even starting to develop a tail. It behaved exactly like we'd expect a comet to behave, just, a comet from a completely different star system.
So for us, what's the big deal about it being an active comet versus Oumuamua's strangeness?
It's huge. 3I8Piros is like a cosmic time machine carrying, you could say, cosmic DNA from its home system. When we looked at its light, the spectroscopy, we saw familiar stuff. water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, stuff we see in our own comets. But crucially, there were subtle differences. Tiny variations in isotope ratios, different trace elements. These act like a cosmic birth certificate.
Ah, telling us about where it was born.
Exactly. It's specific planetary nursery, trillions of miles away. And it's big. Oumuamua was maybe skyscraper size. 3 Iotl is miles across, maybe 100 times more massive.
Wow, that's a huge difference.
It is. It means there's just so much more material there for us to study. Pristine stuff from another star's neighborhood that we just couldn't get from Oumuamua. It unlocks way more secrets.
And it's putting on a show for us soon, right? Its closest approach.
Yeah, perihelion is October 30th, 2025. It'll swing inside the orbit of Mars. It should be quite a sight through telescopes and an absolutely unique chance to analyze this alien material up close. Because remember, like Oumuamua, this is a one-way trip. It's visiting and then it's gone forever, never coming back.
So, stepping back, what's the big picture here? How did these discoveries, first Oumuamua and now this active comet 3I Tlas, change how we see our own solar system?
Well, I think it fundamentally shifts our perspective. We used to think of the solar system as kind of isolated, closed garden. Now, it looks much more like a dynamic galactic ecosystem. Materials flowing between star systems all the time. It's almost like a cosmic cross-contamination. Maybe even life's ingredients are getting passed around.
Which raises a crucial point. We're not flying blind anymore, are we? With ATLS online, what does this mean for you, the listener, thinking about future discoveries?
It means we're going to find more of these. ATLA and the even better observatories coming online soon will make finding interstellar objects almost routine. We're finally getting our hands on, well, the first direct samples of material from truly alien worlds. It's a whole new era of studying planet formation.
Okay, so here's a final thought to leave you with. If these objects really are vehicles carrying materials between stars, what other secrets might they be transporting across those vast cosmic distances? Could they be carrying perhaps even hints of life itself?